Follow me to the valley full of trees, flowers and bees, where the birds sing, the eagles cry, legions of small insects fly to the sky. A river born, little water flowing, getting bigger and growing. Harmony here, creator there, balance of life everywhere. Yeah, but no hate, hate is survival fight, no greed, lack of spite. Evolution in millions of not in years, melody in the ears. Did you hear the nuclear power plant is built in our valley? Nature is gone, its laser disappeared, a desert as far as the eye can see. They kill the plants, they kill the animals, they kill the world.